Hello, good morning and welcome back. So today we will see multiple choice questions on unit number 2, air standard cycle and their analysis. Question number 1, the, the efficiency of Carnot engine is 0.75. If the cycle is reversed, its coefficient of performance as heat refrigerator is option A 0.25, option B 0.33, option C 1.33, option D 4. So correct answer is option B, that is 0.33. Question number 2. A perfect engine works on Carnot cycle between 727 degrees Celsius and 227 degrees Celsius. The efficiency of the engine is option A 0.5, option B 2, option C 227 divided by 727, option D 500 divided by 727. So correct answer is option A, that is 0.5. Question number 3. Efficiency of Stirling cycle is same as what? Option A Otto cycle, option B diesel cycle, option C Carnot cycle, option D Ericsson cycle. So correct answer is option C, that is Carnot cycle. The efficiency of Stirling cycle is same as Carnot cycle. Question number 4. The air standard efficiency of Otto cycle is what? Option A 1 minus R raised to gamma minus 1. Option B 1 minus 1 divided by R raised to gamma minus 1. R means compression ratio. Option C 1 minus R into gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Option D 1 minus 1 divided by gamma raised to gamma minus 1 upon gamma. So correct answer is option B, that is 1 minus 1 upon RC raised to gamma minus 1, that is efficiency of Otto cycle. Question number 5. The air standard Otto cycle is consist of option A 2 constant volume and 2 isentropic process, option B 2 constant pressure and 2 isentropic process, option C 2 constant pressure and 2 constant volume, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A, that is 2 constant volume and 2 isentropic process, that is reversible adiabatic process. So option A is correct. Question number 6. In air standard diesel cycle at fixed R and fixed gamma, the options are given. Option A thermal efficiency increases with increase in heat addition and cutoff ratio. Option B thermal efficiency decreases with increase in heat addition and cutoff ratio. Option C thermal efficiency remains same with increase in heat addition and cutoff ratio. Option D none of the above. So correct answer is thermal efficiency decreases with increase in heat addition and cutoff ratio. Question number 7. Mean effective pressure of Otto cycle is option A inversely proportional to the pressure ratio, option B directly proportional to the pressure ratio, option C does not depend on pressure ratio, option D proportional to square root of pressure ratio. So correct answer is option B, that is directly proportional to pressure ratio. If pressure increases, obviously mean effective pressure of Otto cycle is also increased. So that is why it is directly proportional to pressure ratio. Question number 8. For a given compression ratio, the work output of Otto cycle is option A increases with increase in R, decreases, option B decreases with increase in R, option C it is not affected, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A, that is increases with increase in R. If the value of R increases, definitely the output of Otto cycle is also increases. So option A is correct. Question number 9. For a given volume of R, efficiency of Otto cycle, option A decreases with compression ratio, option B increases with compression ratio, option C it is not affected, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B, increases with compression ratio. Because efficiency of Otto cycle is 1 minus 1 upon R RC raised to gamma minus 1. So that is why the efficiency increases with compression ratio. Question number 10. For a dual combustion cycle for fixed value of heat addition and compression ratio, option A, mean effective pressure will be greater with increase in Rp and decreases in Rc. Option B, mean effective pressure will be greater with decreases in Rp and decreases in Rc. Option C, mean effective pressure remains the same, greater with increase in Rp and decreases in Rc. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option A, that is mean effective pressure will be greater with increase in Rp and decreases in Rc. Rp means pressure ratio and decreases in cutoff ratio. Question number 11. The normal range of compression ratio for Otto cycle is option A 6 to 10, option B 2 to 4, option C less than 10, option D none of the above. So correct answer is 6 to 10, option A. Question number 12. Cycle, the normal range of compression ratio for diesel cycle, the normal range of compression ratio is option A 4 to 6, option B 6 to 8, option C 15 to 20, option D less than 25. So correct answer is option C, that is 15 to 20. Question number 13. For the same compression ratio, the heat addition efficiencies of options are given. Option A, efficiency Otto is greater than efficiency diesel is greater than efficiency dual. Option B, efficiency diesel is greater than efficiency Otto is greater than efficiency dual. Option C, efficiency Otto is greater than efficiency dual is greater than efficiency diesel. So option D, efficiency dual is greater than efficiency Otto is greater than efficiency diesel. So correct answer is option C, that is efficiency Otto is greater than efficiency dual is greater than diesel. So this is the sequence. Question number 14. For the same compression ratio and heat rejection, the efficiencies of options are given. Otto, it is greater than dual is greater than diesel. Option B, diesel is greater than dual is greater than Otto. Option C, dual is greater than diesel is greater than Otto. Option D, dual is greater than Otto is greater than diesel. So correct answer is option A, that is Otto is greater than dual is greater than diesel for the same compression ratio and heat rejection. Question number 15. When the engines are built to withstand the same thermal and mechanical stresses, the efficiencies of option A, diesel is greater than dual is greater than Otto. Option B, dual is greater than diesel is greater than Otto. Option C, Otto is greater than dual is greater than diesel. Option D, Otto is greater than diesel is greater than dual. So correct answer is option A, that is efficiency of diesel is greater than efficiency of dual is greater than efficiency of Otto. Question number 16. For the same peak pressure and heat input, options are option A, Otto is greater than dual is greater than diesel. Option B, Otto is greater than diesel, diesel is greater than dual. Option C, diesel is greater than dual is greater than Otto. Option D, diesel is greater than Otto, Otto is greater than dual. So correct answer is option C, that is efficiency diesel is greater than efficiency dual is greater than efficiency Otto. Question number 17. For the same peak pressure and work output, option A, Otto is greater than dual is greater than diesel. Option B, Otto is greater than diesel is greater than dual. Option C, diesel is greater than Otto is greater than dual. Option D, diesel is greater than dual is greater than Otto. So correct answer is option D, that is diesel, efficiency diesel is greater than efficiency dual is greater than efficiency Otto. Question number 18. Solenoid cycle is used in option A, SI engines, option B, CI engines, option C, pulse jet engines, option D, gas turbines. So correct answer is option C, that is pulse jet engines. Question number 19. A Brayton cycle is consist of option A, 2 constant volume and 2 constant pressure processes. Option B, 2 constant volume and 2 isentropic processes. Option C, one constant pressure and one constant volume and two isentropic processes. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is one constant pressure, one constant volume and two isentropic processes. Question number 20. Brayton cycle is used in option A, ramjet engines, option B, gas turbines, option C, pulse jet engines, option D, CI engine. So correct answer is option B, that is gas turbines.